In this video, I'll be replacing the door sill scuff plate on a Porsche 944. These plastic scuff plates that run along the bottom of the door sill on each side of the car take a bit of a beating over time as they're often kicked and stepped on, and so they tend to get a little scratched up, and as you can see with this one, they can also develop some cracks along the outer edges. There's some weather stripping that runs along the seam between the two body panels as part of the inner door seal, creating a tight fit beneath the plastic, and as it ages and hardens, they just don't hold up well to the abuse. But luckily, these parts are still available for both sides. The left scuff plate can be found under part number 944-551-12100, and the right scuff plate is part number 944-551-12200, and new ones run about $100 a piece from Porsche. Used parts can be found for about $50 a piece, and since my driver's side plate is in pretty good shape, I went ahead and picked up a set of used ones on eBay, and I'll be replacing the plate here on the passenger side. Here's a look at the replacement scuff plates I picked up, and you can see that one of the sides on each plate is curved up slightly, and that's the side that faces towards the back of the car. There are some channels on the underside of the parts that allow for fitment inside the door sills, and some grooves for the metal retaining clips that secure them to the car, and they pop on and off pretty easily. One of the clips on this passenger side plate isn't fully seated in the channel, probably from the last time it was removed from the car, so I'll go ahead and just push that down with a flathead screwdriver before installing it so there aren't any uneven forces on the outer sections of the plastic. To remove the scuff plate, all we need to do is gently pull it straight up, starting on the front side to begin releasing the metal clips. The back side of the plate is partially inserted into the interior molding inside the car, so once all 5 clips are released, the plate can be tilted up slightly and the back edge pulled forward to remove it from the car. With the scuff plate out of the way, you'll now have easy access to clean up the door sill, to remove any dirt or debris that's collected under the channel. Installation is the reverse of removal, so start by inserting the curved end of the scuff plate into the slot at the rear of the door sill, center the part into position, and then evenly apply downward pressure on the plate from end to end until all 5 clips are secure, moving back and forth to make sure that everything is properly pushed into place. And now that the scuff plate has been replaced, I've got a nice clean looking entryway into the car.